What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with My Investment Journey, and I am back again. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about my fourth dividend payment from Huntington Bank, ticker symbol HBAN. Now, the dividend payments that I'm getting from Huntington Bank is slowly rolling in. As a matter of fact, it's a quarterly paying dividend company, but it's still a solid one. And in this video, once again, I'm sharing with you my fourth dividend payment from Huntington Bank. So that's what we're talking about in this particular video. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey. And on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so when it comes to investing in the stock market, this channel is not about being sexy or a lot of hype. It's just about showing you mostly my journey, because I'm not a guru and I will never pretend to be a guru, but I do want to show you how it's possible for you to take your small piece of the pie in regards to the stock market as far as being successful. Okay, so I've definitely been on a roller coaster in regards to success when it comes to the stock market. I then decided to transition from trying to be a day trader, which was way too hard for me personally. I just couldn't do it. But maybe somebody else can. Maybe you don't have anxiety. Maybe you have ice water in your veins instead of regular blood. But for me personally, day trading was way too hard. So I kind of shifted my focus initially on dividend paying stocks. And so this is kind of where I got a little bit of success, and then I kind of sprinkled in some growth stocks in there as well, like Apple and Tesla. But once again, in this video, I'm going to show you my fourth dividend payment from Huntington Bank. Right now, you guys are looking at on the screen my current portfolio. This is live right now. So as of today, the market is still open right now. It's currently 3 o'clock or so in the afternoon, Central Time in Houston at the making of this particular video. And currently my portfolio is valued at $281,000. Now, there has been a lot of ups and downs in regards to my portfolio. Not that long ago, it was valued over $300,000. And I can show you guys that here. You can see here on January the 4th, it was valued at $303,000. Okay, so we go from $303,000 down to right now it's $281,000. That is a huge swing. Okay, like a huge swing. That's over $20,000 swing, as you guys can see here. But I do want to show you that because that's how the stock market can be depending on the companies that you're invested. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Huntington Bank here. And right now, today, they're trading for $17.45. My average cost per share, as you guys can see here on the screen, is for $12.39, which I'm very happy about. My overall return, which is bonkers, super duper awesome, I'm up 40%, which happens to be $527. So I'm almost 50% of what I invested. I've almost gotten that back as far as returns are concerned. And in addition to being up 40%, I'm getting dividend payments from Huntington Bank, and they just raised their dividend payments. So that's really exciting. And I'll show you guys that in this video. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down here and show you guys. I'm going to click on show more. And then, of course, I'm going to click on dividends just to keep it really, really simple. You can see that this is my fourth dividend payment. The first one was back in April 2021. And I think at that time they're paying 15 cents per share. Right here you can see they're paying 15 cents per share for their dividends. And then the next one was in July. Same thing, another 15 cents per share. And then October the 1st, 15 cents per share. And then, of course, January got a little dividend increase. We're at 1.55 instead of 1.5. So that's incredible. Basically, in under a year, you can see that I really have not invested any more money into this particular company. And in a way, it can kind of be, it would have been better had I invested more money over time. But I think I have 11 companies that pay me dividends, and I have invested over $241,000 in the stock market since May of 2020. So I decided to just kind of chill and stop pouring so much money in and just kind of sit back and kind of see. But that's not necessarily a good strategy, but after you have so much money invested in the market, it's easy to be like, you know what, let's just chill. You got a buttload of money in the market, so let's just take it easy. So as you guys can see here, there was a dividend payment on the 3rd of January for $16.01. And of course, on the same exact date, there was a market buy because I have dividend reinvestment plan turned on Robinhood. They were able to grab some more shares. They were able to basically grab one full share for me. And at the time, it was $15.99. Now, keep in mind, this is currently trading for $17.45 at the making of this video. So when Robinhood grabbed those shares for me on January 3rd, it was for $15.99. And now today, on January the 18th, it's trading for $17.45. I couldn't be more happy. When it comes to investing in the stock market, you know, of course, people don't want the slow and steady, but the slow and steady is probably the best approach in regards to the market, especially if you don't know what you're doing. For example, I'm not somebody that's a guru that can take my current portfolio. You know, if somebody had $281,000, they can take that and turn that into several millions. Now, I'm not that guy. And I'm a little scared to kind of try and do different things. And I'm just being transparent with you guys because, of course, there was a point where I was down $63,000. And so, you know, PTSD is very real. And so I'm just kind of treading lightly. But I do want to keep it real with you guys. And I do want to continue to share information with you guys. And so, therefore, I will be consistent as far as showing you the dividend payments that I've gotten. And of course, showing you when my portfolio is all the way up like $300,000, you know, like it was on January 4th. And when it's not necessarily all the way down, but it's at $281,000 right now. And that's over $20,000 in a very short time. That's over $20,000 basically in 14 days. I mean, that's crazy. That's a big swing. But a lot of that for me personally has to do with Apple and Tesla. Because, of course, Tesla is always all over the place. Apple, not so much. But because of those two and because those two companies are the biggest chunk of my portfolio, it affects my portfolio the most. I think I have about 35% of my portfolio invested with Apple and 25% invested with Tesla. My portfolio would look a lot different if I had 35% with Tesla and 25% with Apple. But hindsight is 20/20. You can only connect the dots looking backwards. You can't really connect the dots looking forward because that's not how it works. Anyway, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.